Hello everyone, this is Frank Epicella, and today we're going to show you how to edit your footer in WordPress using just HTML and CSS and not necessarily using the widgets that a lot of people are used to using the footer widgets. We're not going to really mess with those. We're actually just, because it's just a couple little things, it's never going to change, so we're just going to do it once. We're just going to do it in HTML and CSS, and figured it would make for a good tutorial. So I open up the footer.php, and this is what I have. This is the link that links to the home page. So it takes the blog name and the home URL that's in WordPress and puts that link here. So it automatically generates. So it's CVIP right now. Now if I went and changed that to something else, oh, you know what? Oh, yeah, because I have the CVIP here. Actually, this just, my apologies, this just actually links to the home page. The title takes from here. So if we look at the title, or if we just highlight our mouse over it, that'll be the Corporate Venturing and Innovation Partnering Conference, and that title is automatically generated. So here's the copy inside of it. I actually gotta get rid of this. So it would be 2013 for now. Even though it's a conference in 2014. I don't even know how the copyright works for that. But we actually wanted to add a couple links in here. So this is actually a link that links to the home page. Then what we wanted to do after that is get another link. So I actually use encoding. So I'm going to make one. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 links. Right? So 8 times 4. We'll just fill these in right now. And I need a press pass link. I need a speaking link, sponsoring, and contact us, or contact. Yeah, contact us is fine. So now, in between each of those, I want a little slash thing. Okay, and let's see what color these links are. That actually looks halfway decent. I think I might just keep that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now we just need to get the links for those pages, plug those in. Now let's say we wanted to style those. I think I targeted the footer, so the ID of footer, so we'll go to the style sheet, we'll search for footer in here, and here we go. So I'm actually using less, so I can write my CSS like this, and it'll pump out a style sheet based on this, so I can embed actually, footer, and I don't have to make another one saying, the ID of footer A, and then make a whole other thing. I can just kind of embed it here, and so when it actually generates my style sheet, this will be sponsor A, and it'll have this. It'll be sponsor span, and then it'll put this in. So it's pretty nifty. I recommend using a CSS for preprocessor if you haven't already or don't already use one. I highly recommend looking into it. So I already set the color. I already did the background for the footer, the padding, and for the links I just set the color. I kind of like how this looks, so I think I'm going to keep it. So like I said, I just got to plug in these links and make the pages, which I'm not going to put you guys through. So if I wanted to add maybe some social media links over here, I would just come in here, make another div. This is the div of called 12, so 12 columns. I make that. Let's do this actually 6 columns, and then we'll do. This is a particular CSS framework I'm using that's responsive, and this is just the name of the columns. So there's 12 columns in all, and I split up all the pages, or so it'll be 6 columns, 6 columns. So split it in half, and then as I shrink it down, it'll form up accordingly. So we'll type in just social media here. Let's see how that's gonna work. Okay, yeah. So it's actually at the beginning, but what we want is div.social. And I want to then float that to the right. As you can see now, my social media, all of that is going to be floated on the right here. So I think that's all for today. You guys kind of got the gist of it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you.